So then I cut it and I place it on the pizza, right?
No, what are you doing? Take away the knife. So you take the mozzarella
Yeah.
and you just cut it with your hands like this.
My name is Aurora and I'm stuck in London, and this is my best friend Fabiana.
Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make pizza. So, 500 grams of flour.
Got it?
Then I usually buy fresh yeast. This is 25 grams. Then I melt half of this block in like a glass of water.
Yeah.
Just a tiny bit of water in here. And then I start mixing everything in a big bowl. I love the smell.
Oh!
Nice.
No, I hate it.
So I slowly add this into the bowl.
Okay.
And I start mixing. A little bit of oil. And then slowly a little bit of water, because at the moment it's really dry, as you can see. This is just way too dry.
Yeah, that's very dry. It's almost hard to believe that we are making pizza right now because of this.
Add a bit more flour.
Okay. Fabi, how am I doing this time?
Yeah, that looks good. Okay, I think mine is ready. This is how it looks like. So once the dough is ready, I'm just gonna make a cut
Yeah.
like this.
How deep does the crust have to be?
Not very deep.
Is that enough?
Yeah, that's right. So now we just need this to rest for about 3 hours, if you can.
Oh my god! It's huge! Right, so what's the next step then?
So let's just make the tomato sauce now. So a bit of olive oil, and then you just fry the garlic. A pinch of salt, and then if you have, I would add a tiny bit of sugar to balance the acidity of the tomato sauce. So we can start making the actual pizza while the tomato sauce gets ready. So now we just cut a little piece of the dough.
Yeah.
And I use mattarello.
Oh no, I don't have a mattarello roll.
Just use your hands then. So today we're gonna make margherita.
Yeah.
And margherita has actually a really interesting story. Apparently it was invented at the end of the 19th century.
Oh wow, okay.
So this pizza maker, to welcome Queen Margherita that was coming to Naples,
Yeah.
wanted to make something special for her. So he decided to make a pizza with the colors of the Italian flag.
Oh!
Why the pizza has the tomato sauce, the mozzarella, and the basil.
Oh wow! It looks amazing!
Don't forget to put the oven on, because the oven needs to be at a very high temperature. Just gonna put a bit of olive oil.
So I haven't done mine rounded, Fabi, because my tray is square.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
so you just put the tomato sauce like this. So the last thing is the mozzarella. Obviously you would add the basil as well, but unfortunately I don't have any. It's locked down in Italy as well.
Ta-da! So then I cut it and I place it on the pizza, right?
No, what are you doing? Take away the knife, please.
Okay.
So you take the mozzarella
Yeah.
and you just cut it with your hands like this. Because if you don't do this, the mozzarella has a lot of water in it
Yeah.
and it's just gonna get really watery. is ready.
Wow! Look at that!
Papa? So I'm just gonna call my dad. He's gonna be our judge.
Hello.
Look at my pizza!
Good pizza.
Buon appetito!
Mmm!
Ti piace?
Molto. Very good, eh?
We passed the test.
Amazing!
Salute!
Salute! Viva l'Italia!